the Holy Prophet ﷺ being present everywhere, that inna arsalnaka shahidan wa mubashiran wa nazira, that O my beloved one, we sent you as a witness, wa mubashiran, and as a conveyor of the glad tidings, wa nazira, and as a warner, wa da'iyan ilallahi bi iznihi, and a caller towards Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, sirajam munira, and a enlightened and bright lamp. So the Holy Prophet ﷺ is a witness, and one can never be a witness if he doesn't witness all the events happening in all the times. So Holy Prophet ﷺ says, Inna arsalnaka, we sent you as a witness. So Allah is making clear that when he was sent, he was witness at that time. When he was sent, he was already witness at that time. Okay. Means this attribute is bound to his personality, and this attribute is he is born and he is created with this attribute, and he has witnessed all the events in this time and space, all the events of this time and space. Or rather, we should say that, as he mentions in his tradition, that all the universe is created out of my nur, out of my light. أَوَّلُ مَا خَلَقَ اللَّهُ نُورِي. The first thing which Allah Ta'ala has created is my nur, and everything else was created out of my light. So he is actually the essence of everything. He is the essence of all these things, and he is the witness. So when we accept him and admit him as a witness, then we have no other way, no other option but to accept him as Hazir and Nazir. He is present everywhere. He is present in many different aspects. He is present as being essence of us. He is present as being watching us, because he is the representative of Allah Ta'ala on this earth. And Allah Ta'ala made him as his eyes. Allah Ta'ala says in 15th part that Subhanallazi asra bi abdihi laylan min al-masjid al-haram ila al-masjid al-aqsa allazi barakna hawlahu linuriyahu min ayatina innahu kana samiyan basira. That part, innahu kana samiyan basira, most of the commentators of the Quran have said that in this part, samiyan basira relates to the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Samiyan basira actually are the attributes of Allah Ta'ala, but Allah Ta'ala has given these attributes to the Holy Prophet ﷺ as well. That my beloved Prophet is Sami and Basir. He is the perfect listener, and he perfectly sees everything. Sami and Basira. So Allah Ta'ala made him Sami and Basir. And Holy Prophet ﷺ himself said that whenever you read Durood Sharif, I listen to you myself. Whenever you do something, I listen to you myself. And Prophet said that whole my ummah presented before me, and I know them and I recognize them, even the names of their fathers and their forefathers, and I recognize them with their names and the names of their forefathers. And when the Sahaba asked Rasulullah, even those who were not born yet, the Holy Prophet said that, yes, I have been shown their faces in the clay. Who has not been born yet, I have been shown their faces. I have been shown their spirits. I know them very well. So Holy Prophet is aware, all of us, and it is logical, because he is Rahmatan lil Alameen. He is Rasul Rabbil Alameen. Holy Prophet said that Allah Ta'ala sent to me, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا كَافَّةً لِلنَّاسِ. We have not sent to you, but to the whole humanity, to the whole nation, to all human beings. So if he is a Rasul, he is a messenger to all human beings, then he must be aware of all their deeds and all their actions. And another thing, that when you understand a prophet, what a prophet means, prophet always has a higher degree of knowledge. Prophet is always the one who has the knowledge of unseen, because one can never be a prophet unless he has the knowledge of unseen, as demonstrated by Sayyidina Isa in Quran, when he says to his nation that if you ask me, I will tell you whatever you have eaten in your homes and whatever you have preserved for tomorrow. I will tell you that thing. But does this demonstrate that he is watching them? So this is a quality
in all prophets.
In all prophets, and these prophets, they were limited and they had limited duties. But Holy Prophet ﷺ, he is Rahmatan lil Alameen. He is for all the universe, for all the times to come. So we must admit and that Holy Prophet ﷺ, all the human beings, they are Ummah of Holy Prophet ﷺ. Some have accepted him and they are called Ummat Ijabat, and those who don't accept him, they are called Ummat Dawat. So all of them are Ummah of Holy Prophet ﷺ, and being his Ummah, they are being watched by him all the time.